Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will continue with lesson number 14, Algebraic Formulae, Expansion of Squares, Part 4. Let us study Practice Set 52.
Students, now we are going to solve Practice Set 52. But before starting, we will first see how to factorize algebraic expression. Now, we will take one example, that is 27b square c square. Now we have to factorize this algebraic expression. Now our coefficient is 27. So we will factorize 27 first, that is 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now how we are going to write 27 as 3 into 3 into 3, b square as b into b and c square as c into c. So this is how we factorize the algebraic expression. We will take the second example as 40a square b square c. Now we will factorize the coefficient 40. That is 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So we can write 40 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into a square is a into a, b square is b into b and c. So this is how we factorize the algebraic expression. Now let us start with practice set 52. Practice set 52. Factorize the following expression and write them in the product form. Now, our first question is 201 a square b square. Now, first we will do prime factorization for 201. So, 201. So, the last digit is 1, that is prime number. So, we are going to factorize, that is, it can go in the table of 3. That is 3 6 are 18, carry 2, that is 21. So 3 7s are 21. Again 67 being a prime number, it will go into 61, 1s are 61. So the prime factorization for 201 is 3 into 67. A square we can write it as a into a, b square we can write as b into b. In this way, we can factorize the following expression and we can write them in the product form. Now, let us see the next question, that is 91 xyt square. Now, first we will factorize 91. That is 13 7s are 91, 7 1s are 7. So, we got the prime factorization for 91 as 13 into 7. We will write x into y into t square is t into t. Okay. Third question, 24a square b square. Now we will first factorize, that is we will do the prime factorization method for the number 24. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So we got the prime factorization for number 24 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. A square we can write it as a into a and b square as b into b. So this is how we got in the product form the given expression. Fourth question, t r square s cube, that is we can write it as t into r square, we can write r into r, s cube, that is s into s into s. Understood, children? This is how we do the factorization for the following algebraic expression. And we can write this in the product form.